Artificial intelligence is not coming, it's already here. And for businesses, this isn't just an opportunity, it's a decision that will define their future. At Paulson & Partners, we work with CEOs, entrepreneurs, and corporations that understand one thing: adapt now or risk becoming irrelevant. So who comes to us? Actually, companies that know AI is transforming industries but don't know how to integrate it efficiently. Corporations that are seeing rising operational costs, inefficiencies, and market shifts and need a competitive edge. Take, for example, a manufacturing company that's struggling with supply chain inefficiencies. They have too much downtime, delays in production, and unpredictable costs. We implement AI-driven predictive maintenance and supply chain forecasting. Suddenly, they can reduce downtime by 40%, anticipate failures before they happen, and cut costs without any disruption to their operations. Or consider a real estate investment firm that wants to predict market trends before their competitors. With our AI-driven market analytics, they can analyze millions of data points, pricing trends, buyer behaviors, emerging locations, and make decisions before the market shifts. So what problems do we solve? We do AI-driven automations. We replace slow, outdated processes with efficient, self-learning systems. We reduce cost and become efficient. AI eliminates waste time, unnecessary cost, and human errors. And of course, we scale. AI enables companies to grow faster without increasing complexity. Let's talk about a corporate law firm. They were drowning in paperwork, spending hundreds of hours reviewing contracts manually. We introduced AI-powered contract analysis, cutting their workload by 70% and allowing lawyers to focus on higher value work. Or take a luxury real estate brand struggling with customer retention. We implemented AI-powered customer insights to predict buying behavior, personalize recommendations, and increase loyalty. Their sales grew by 25% in just 6 months. So how do we work? We analyze your business from the inside out. Where are the inefficiencies? What AI solutions can be integrated seamlessly? We design a strategy that is tailored to your company, whether it's process automations, AI-driven analytics, or market prediction models. We build a roadmap. We implement AI with precision. No disruption, no guesswork, just results. The future is now. AI is no longer a luxury for big tech companies. At Paulson & Partners, we don't just introduce AI to your company, we make sure AI gives you an advantage no one else has. This is not the future, this is now. If you're ready to take your business to the next level, Paulson & Partners is ready to make it happen.